Hey everybody, today is Saturday, March 1st, 2014. It's me, DG Tronic, and this is another Apple Motion 5 tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an effect that looks like an old movie projector from the 60s or the 70s. I'll show you what I mean. Something like this. So you'll get an idea. Those home videos or old projectors from the 70s that are kind of brownish looking. You get the idea. Okay, let's go and make a new project here. Let's make sure that we can see the whole canvas. It's very, very easy. First thing you do is you want to draw sort of the shape of the screen for the projector. You go to the Bezier tool and you just randomly start putting some points down. Okay, you got the shape. Now make sure that that's the chosen layer. Go to shape, geometry, make it a B-spline, and you can adjust the roundness here. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect, you can adjust it if you want. If you want to make it more of a round screen, you can do that. Like this, and maybe drag this point out a little bit. Alright, well, okay, that's good for the shape. That's good enough. Alright, now we want to change the color here. So I go to fill color, and I want to make it look more like a late 60s, early 70s type old film, kind of brownish. So I figured that if I keep the red at 1, change the green to 0.76, and change the blue to 0.56, I get the color I want. That's perfect for me right now. The next step is to make it flicker like old movies used to. The way to do that is by playing with the fill opacity here. Very easy. But before you do that, let's see if we can do anything with the feather and the fall off. There you go. That looks a little bit nicer. The fall off doesn't do much, so we'll leave it at that. Now that you want to change the flickering, or you want to do the flickering, what you have to do is start recording and then hit the play button first. Start recording, hit the play button, and go to fill opacity and just start playing with it. Like this. And you see that it's recording the changes on the timeline. You do this until the player head goes to the end of the timeline and comes back to the very beginning. It's not hard at all, it's just a little bit boring, but it's fine for a short project. And you can change the rate of the flickering as well by how slow or how fast you do it. So We're almost done. It's getting to the end of the timeline. And let's fill in that part of the beginning. And okay, well, we can stop the recording now. We'll just watch what we've done. I mean, that kind of looks good to me, to be honest. For what we're doing anyways. Let's look at it full screen. And if you want to see the whole thing, just zoom out a little bit. This is a nice effect. I like it. I'm happy with what we got. This is a very basic start of it. You can add a lot more things to make it very realistic, like an old movie projector. But for the basic steps, for the very first steps, this is absolutely more than fine. Let's go back here and make the canvas smaller again. Take one more final look at our inspector here. We changed the color. Red is at 1, green at 0.76, blue at 0.56. And all we did is recorded, hit the play button, and started playing with the fill opacity. And that is all we needed to do. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/dgtronic. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/dgtronic. Give me suggestions for what you would like to see. If you have a topic that you would like me to do a tutorial video on for Final Cut Pro 10 or Apple Motion 5, let me know, and if I know the topic, I'll do the video right away. And if I don't know the topic, I'll invest some time to learn the topic myself and then do the review video, or sorry, not the review, but the tutorial video on it. I'll see you in the next video.